If TikTok won't load, videos keep spinning, or shows a blank screen, this guide will fix it fast. I'm using a Google Pixel 7, so your menus might look a little different. But the steps are the same. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find TikTok in the list and open it. Tap Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that stop TikTok from loading videos. After that, tap Clear Storage. This resets the app completely. Now go back to TikTok's app page. Tap Force Stop. Most people skip this step, but it shuts the app down fully and clears background issues. Next, open Settings again. Tap Network and Internet. Tap Internet. Toggle airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your phone's network. Reopen TikTok and check your feed. If it still doesn't work, open Settings, tap System, and tap Reset Options. Next tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Now restart your phone, and your TikTok videos should now load instantly. Subscribe for more quick Android fixes.